Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you're signed into the primary Google account and that sync is active. Next, update the Google app or browser because outdated builds often block switching. Once done, force close the app and reboot the device. This clears transient issues. Also disable battery saver or data saver modes since they can restrict background account services. By doing these first actions, you remove common environmental causes and prepare the app for deeper troubleshooting steps. Now you move into the complex middle steps. Clear the Google app cache and, if needed, app data. For browsers, clear site data and cookies for accounts. Google.com. If that fails, remove the account from your device settings and re-add it to refresh tokens. Also inspect two-step verification, enterprise device policies, and account permissions. Organization-managed accounts can disable switching. Make sure you're not exceeding device account limits. These steps renew authentication and remove policy or token To finish, sign out of all devices or choose sign out of all sessions and account security, then sign back in on your main device. This forces token regeneration. Test account switching in an incognito window or a different browser/app to isolate the problem. If switching works there, migrate settings back gradually. If none of this helps, contact Google support or your admin. Organization policies or account flags may require backend changes. One key tip: always test in a clean session to rule out cache state issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.